Hello, so we have here one of the fleet vehicles for which we have installed a tracker with immobilizer and a CAN controller also for the door locking of the van. So this is a very good solution that we offer, and we advise that it's quite good for fleet vehicles. So first of all, there is control on the position of the vehicle, and then via the app the doors can be locked or unlocked, and the vehicle can be immobilized remotely. A very good solution. This is an example as we installing on this fleet. Thank you.